Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where dynamic lighting is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to enable dynamic lighting. So search for dynamic lighting in the search bar, and then make sure that the switch is on. Now by default the switch is always on, but let's say something had switched it off, then you can turn it on. The next solution is to update the drivers and Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab, select advanced options, select optional updates, install all the updates, return to the Windows Update page, click on check for updates. The next solution will be a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service was checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And finally, an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.